So most of us know how traditional deodorants are very toxic and not good for us. So a lot of us have made the switch to cleaner deodorants and with non-toxic scents and non-toxic ingredients. I have been using non-toxic deodorants for years, and I have found some that work better than others, but I've never found the absolute most amazing deodorant that keeps me feeling fresh and smelling fresh all day. Until now, I have been using and enjoying Ben's Soap non-toxic all-natural mineral deodorant. You stay fresh and smell amazing all day. Literally while you're sweating, especially with the apple blossom scent, you smell like you're sweating flowers. It's so good. There's also an unscented for anyone who doesn't want any scent, and this just keeps you feeling and smelling fresh and cool all day. There's also vanilla lavender, which smells exactly like what you would think. So good. Lavender is one of my absolute favorite scents, but this apricot blossom for me really is just amazing. I have been loving it so much. So these are all baking soda free, so you don't have to worry about baking soda, because I know some people are prone to irritation with baking soda. This is a gentle, non-toxic formula. It's amazing, and so you can find it here, and I'm just so excited to share it with you guys.